For today's craft, I wanted to make a cute piece of Halloween decor. I used green marbles, skeleton hand salad tongs, black cauldrons, a piece of floral foam, a craft knife, pipe cleaner, a wooden dowel, black paint, and my glue gun. I started by cutting a piece of foam and glued it inside of the bottom of 2 cauldrons. Insert 1 tong into each cauldron. Paint the dowel black and allow it to dry. Cut the pipe cleaners into thirds and curve one end, creating a hook. Glue the marbles on top of the cauldrons. Add the wooden dowel and the pipe cleaner. Fill your cauldrons with treats and hang from the dowel. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.